The Art of Hesitation, Mastering the Ellipsis in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of punctuation, focusing particularly on a little mark known as the ellipsis. We'll be discussing how you can use an ellipsis to indicate a pause or hesitation in your writing, adding nuance and depth to your sentences. First, let's remind ourselves of what an ellipsis is. An ellipsis is a series of 3 consecutive periods, often used in writing. It's not just a collection of random dots, but a meaningful punctuation mark that can do a lot for your sentences. Now, let's look at one of the common uses of an ellipsis, to indicate a pause in the text. This isn't like a comma, which suggests a short pause. Instead, an ellipsis suggests a more significant, meaningful pause. Consider this example. I thought I knew what I was doing, but I was wrong. In this sentence, the ellipsis shows a pause for thought or reflection, making the statement that follows it more impactful. Besides pauses, ellipses are also great for showing hesitation in writing. This can be particularly useful in dialogue, where it can help to convey a character's uncertainty or indecision. Take a look at this example. I don't know, maybe we should ask someone else. Here, the ellipsis indicates the speaker's hesitation, showing that they are unsure about their statement. While ellipses can be effective, it's important not to overuse them. Too many ellipses can make your writing feel choppy or unclear. As a general rule, only use an ellipsis where a significant pause or hesitation is necessary to the meaning of your sentence. And that's it for today's lesson on using ellipses to indicate pauses and hesitation in English writing. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, an ellipsis is more than just 3 dots. It's a powerful tool you can use to add depth and nuance to your writing. Until next time, happy writing, and remember, the power of punctuation is in your hands.